Do you wake up heavy-headed and tired? Today, we're turning sleep from an accident into a system. Step by step. Science-backed. Tested in real life. Follow along and you'll walk away with a full protocol and a 30-day plan you can start tonight. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to do during the day, how to wind down at night, how to set up your bedroom, what to avoid, what to do if your mind won't switch off, and how to lock it all in over the next month. Why sleep matters so much. Sleep is your body's service mode. Your brain declutters and files memories. Your hormones reset. Your muscles repair. Your immune system strengthens. When we shortchange sleep, the bill arrives. Insulin sensitivity drops. Stress hormones climb. Mood gets shaky. Focus slips. Even if you got hours, poor timing and shallow sleep still leave you drained. The key idea: your daytime energy is built the night before. Tidy evening habits equals clear morning mind. The 6 big daytime drivers. Number 1, morning light. Within 5 to 10 minutes of waking, get natural light. Step to a bright window or go outside. Why? It sets your circadian clock. It aligns melatonin and cortisol so you feel sleepy at night and alert by day. Don't stay in dim rooms all morning. Why not? Your clock drifts late, bedtime pushes back, mornings feel like sludge. #2, movement. Do 20 to 45 minutes of light to moderate movement most days, walking, cycling, strength. Why? Exercise deepens sleep and lowers stress. Don't do all-out intense cardio within 3 hours of bed. Why not? You raise core temperature and alertness at the worst time. #3, caffeine window. Cut your last coffee or energy drink 8 to 10 hours before bedtime. Why? Caffeine blocks adenosine, the sleep pressure chemical, and masks fatigue. Don't sip coffee after 4 p.m. if you aim to sleep before midnight. Why not? Sleep onset gets delayed and deep sleep shrinks. #4, eating rhythm. Keep dinner lighter, protein plus vegetables and fiber. Finish big meals 3 to 4 hours before bed. Why? Fewer reflux episodes, smaller glucose spikes, steadier sleep. Don't heavy, spicy, sugary, or greasy late-night meals. Why not? Gut discomfort and fragmented sleep. #5, stress off ramp. Late afternoon or early evening, do a quick mental unload. Write tomorrow's top 3 tasks and park any worries on paper. Why? Your brain stops reopening the same tabs at midnight. Don't dive into work emails or arguments right before bed. Why not? You crank up cognitive arousal and carry it into the night. #6, screen and amp. Brightness, 60 to 90 minutes before bed, dim screens or shut them down. Why? Bright light suppresses melatonin and keeps your reward system buzzing. Don't endless doom scrolling in bed. Why not? Your brain thinks it's daytime, sleep gets delayed. Simple formula: morning equals light, day equals move, evening equals quiet. The 90-minute night ritual: T90 minutes. Leave the bed area and shift to softer lighting. Tell your body, night is here. T60. Take a warm shower or bath for 10 to 15 minutes. Why? As you step out, core body temperature falls, a primal sleep signal. T45. Gentle stretching and 3 to 5 minutes of breathing. Try 4-7-8 or box breathing. Why? Heart rate slows, the nervous system settles. T30. Do a brain dump. Write tomorrow's top 3 tasks. List any lingering questions or worries, transfer them to the page. Why? Your mind stops looping, you've captured the unfinished business. T15. Lights even dimmer. Read a physical book or listen to calm audio. T0. Get into bed for sleep or intimacy only. No phone. No TV. R. The 16th of August 2025 13:14. If you don't fall asleep in about 20 minutes, don't wrestle with the bed. Get up, keep lights low, do a low stimulus activity like reading a boring paperback. Return to bed when sleepiness returns. Why? You break the brain's bed equals frustration link and rebuild bed equals sleep conditioning. Designing the sleep environment. Temperature. Aim for 18 to 22 degrees Celsius, 64 to 72 degrees Fahrenheit. Cooler favors deeper sleep. Darkness. Use blackout curtains or a comfortable sleep mask. Even small light leaks can blunt melatonin. Noise. Reduce it. Try earplugs or consistent neutral noise to mask disruptions. Fewer micro-awakenings equals steadier sleep. Pillow and mattress. Keep your neck neutral and your body comfortably supported. If you're a side sleeper, a small pillow between knees can help hip and back alignment. Scent is optional. Lavender or chamomile can become a sleep cue if you pair it with your routine. Don't turn the bedroom into an office, gym, or TV lounge. Protect the association. Bedroom equals sleep and intimacy. Do, don't, with reasons. Do. Drink a glass of water soon after waking. Why? Rehydrates you and gently kick-starts metabolism. Take a short daytime nap of 10 to 20 minutes before mid-afternoon if you truly need it. Why? It tops up sleep debt without grogginess. Get 10 to 30 minutes of daylight exposure during the day. Why? Keeps your circadian rhythm steady. Don't. Use alcohol to knock yourself out. Why not? It fragments sleep and suppresses REM. You wake unrefreshed. Use nicotine or late evening vapes. Why not? They increase alertness and heart rate. Chug lots of fluids right before bed. Why not? Nighttime bathroom trips break up sleep. When the mind won't switch off, try progressive muscle relaxation. Start at your feet, lightly tense for 5 to 7 seconds, release. Move up. Calves, thighs, core, chest, hands, arms, shoulders, neck, face. The message to your brain is, there's no threat, you can power down. Breathing. 4-7-8 works well. Inhale for 4, hold 7, exhale for 8. Repeat 5 to 7 cycles. Or use box breathing. 4-4-4-4. Visualization. Imagine repetitive, calm scenes. Rain on a roof, waves on a shore, wind in trees. Simple rhythms crowd out rumination. CBT-I core rules in plain English. 1. Bed is for sleep or intimacy only. 2. If you're awake too long, get up and return when sleepy. 3. Wake up at the same time every day, weekends included within 30 minutes. 4. Avoid long daytime naps. Why this works? You retrain your brain to pair the bed with falling asleep, not thinking hard. Special situations naps. Keep them to 10 to 20 minutes and earlier in the day. Long naps of 60 to 90 minutes trigger sleep inertia, that heavy, foggy feeling, and can push bedtime later. Shift work. Before sleeping, darken your environment and keep the room cool. Upon waking, expose yourself to bright light. Commuting home after a night shift? Wear dark sunglasses to limit morning light if you're heading to bed soon. Keep your schedule as stable as your job allows. These strategies limit circadian misalignment. Travel, jet lag. At destination, get morning light and keep dinner lighter. If you use melatonin, think of it as a short-term time zone tool. Use minimum effective doses for a few nights only, timed for your target bedtime. Supplements, optional, after habits. Some people find magnesium glycinate, glycine, or L-theanine helpful. They can support relaxation, but the fundamentals are still light, timing, temperature, and routine. When to see a clinician. Loud snoring with breathing pauses, significant daytime sleepiness, more than 3 months of persistent insomnia, or uncomfortable leg sensations that keep you up, these deserve medical assessment. Your 30-day step-by-step plan. The 16th of August 2025, 13:14. Week 1, Foundations. Pick a fixed wake time and protect it. Weekend included within plus or minus 30 minutes. Get 5 to 10 minutes of bright morning light daily. Set a caffeine cutoff 9 hours before bedtime. Reduce screens 60 minutes before bed. Week 2, Environment plus Ritual. Dial bedroom temp to 18 to 22 degrees Celsius and block light leaks with curtains or a mask. Implement the full T90 wind down protocol. For 3 consecutive nights, do a brain dump plus 4-7-8 breathing. Week 3, Stress plus Nutrition. Add 20 to 30 minutes of movement 3 to 4 days this week. Finish your last substantial meal 3 to 4 hours before bed. Trim late sweets. Slow fluid intake after 8 p.m. Week 4, Lock in. Keep naps to 0 to 20 minutes and avoid them after mid-afternoon. Make "if I'm not asleep in approximately 20 minutes, I get up" automatic. Once or twice this week, review your triggers: late coffee, late screens, heavy dinner, and remove the worst offender. How you'll know it's working: faster sleep onset, fewer night awakenings, more morning energy, better mood and focus. Closing and AMP. Call to action: sleep isn't a talent, it's a system. Morning light, daytime movement, a calm wind down, a cool dark room, and consistent wake time. Pick 1 or 2 changes and start tonight. Tell me in the comments which habit you're committing to, and what changes you noticed this week. If this helped, tap like and subscribe, and sleep well. Note: this video is educational. If your sleep problems persist, or you suspect sleep apnea or another condition, please speak with a healthcare professional.